Let's go do chicken chores. Starting out with these little cuties. These little guineas. Gotta change out their water. Hey, sweet boy. We've been on baby lamb watch, but I don't see one. No baby lambs yet. There's our little chickens. Aww. Look at your eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh gosh. Come out, honey. 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14. Now this is our broody girl. We gotta get out of here. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Let's just split this one.
Make it sound.
Daddy let the geese out. You can give him that one. 19 eggs, the dog got 2. Lastly is Fur Boy.